Hello, Rion.
Welcome back.
Is there anything you want to share with us today before we get going on our questions?
Well, I will share stuff, but I will share it during the questions. There is stuff to share. But let's see where the questions take us.
Okay, so do you have individual consciousness? So you're part of a 77, like a group consciousness, but I noticed that you laugh at certain things. You seem to have a really cool personality. Is that individual within your group?
So we share a block of consciousness, but we are able to bring in our personality,
yes,
which makes it feel like we are independent of each other, but we at the same time are completely and fully connected.
I love that. Is it
yes.
So it's kind of a hive mind in a way of you can tap into what you need to, but you still have individuality and personality and maybe even privacy.
Oh yes, definitely, always. With every society and beings that are non-physical have total privacy, because the awareness of self and the awareness of others is so at the forefront of every thought or action taken that you would never feel the need to intrude into someone's personal space, so to speak. It's difficult to describe it because we're not in a physical reality, but we do not interject, we do not take someone else's thoughts, we do not sorry, our connection is a bit sticky at the moment. We'll clear it.
I want to say something. Rion, I love that because that inspires me in the work I do every day to be my own personal awareness and facing my darkness, because it lives on. I live on, and it makes me want to be even more refined and more positive and better, for lack of a better word, in what I'm doing now. It makes it kind of matter more because it lives on, and I'll have that. I won't just be mixed in a soup of consciousness.
No, because in a sense, in one way, you feel like an individual, but the biggest difference between the physical being and the non-physical being is that the physical being has more a sense of separation, or that maybe do not remember that they are connected to the conscious cloud. Let's call it a cloud for want of a better word.
Right.
And so they live in a way that could easily bring harm to others. Whereas when you have your full awareness that you are connected to the consciousness cloud, you would, as you just explained and described, you would be excited to be fine-tuning your intentions, your thoughts, your beliefs, and your actions.
Yes.
And that is what we see will be spreading back through humanity, the physical reality, that they will start recognizing that their actions and their thoughts and their beliefs have an impact on the collective,
right,
conscious cloud.
And because some humans like me obsess over purpose and what matters, and well, it matters, and I know that's a human thing and we need to work through that, but in the meantime, it makes everything matter more, not matter, physically matter, but it makes it really purposeful.
Yes, two points there. Yes, it brings in an organic purpose, but it makes about it is that you are realizing that you are creating matter with your thoughts. So you then fine-tune them to create the matter that you do want to see and experience.
Right.
So matter is used in that sense that when we say it doesn't matter, we've usually disregarded an ill-intentioned action, but we will see in reality the consequence of that disregard. So it does matter because it turns into matter.
Right.
In some form or other, in an experience, in an object, in a mood, in an emotion.
Okay, thank you. I really like that.